Hi guys, napansin nyo ba ang daming influencers ngayon na nagpo-promote ng energy drink? Sinabi nila na it helps you focus and it gives you energy for school. Pero safe ba talaga to? Let's compare what experts and influencers say. First, people in media like news reporters and healthy experts explain that energy drink can give temporary energy because of caffeine. Pero they also warn that too much can cause problems like mabilis na heartbeat, trouble sleeping, and even anxiety. So dapat limited lang. Now, people as media like influencers usually show themselves drinking it while studying or working out. Sinasabi nila na this helps me stay active all day. Pero most of them time, they don't mention the risk of limits. Minsan, for promoting lang talaga. So yeah, parehong nagbibigay ng info, pero hindi pareho ang level ng accuracy. For me, I trust experts more kasi they show both benefits and risk. Kaya guys, don't just follow trends. Mag-isip muna bago magtiwala, your health matters.